Morning traders, and this is your DAX day trade setup for today. So not much movement yesterday, pretty much an indecision bar, and what I'm hoping is a shooting star. So let's just get these levels in. Why am I saying that? So we just introduced another indicator, and I'll show you now why on the 4-hour chart. But at this stage, we have made no progress to the upside. If we come down to the 4-hour, you'll see prices have been making new highs, but this oscillator is staying flat to down. So you can see it's pretty much hovering on this dotted line here and not really making much headway. And we have another sort of flag within a flag right at a level which is the 200 EMA on the 4-hour. So yes, the trend is up, definitely up, but we are overbought, tremendously overbought at the moment. And if we go down to any lower time frame like a 3-hour, you can see high, higher high, high, lower high. So there is diversions, we have wedges, and whenever I see wedges and diversions, I take serious note of what's going on around me. And this is always an indication that the wedge may very well play out. Okay, obviously we need the bottom trend line of the wedge to break for that to be validated, but this is not a pretty picture for me to be long. Okay, so the other thing that we do have, if we just start going down to the lower time frames here, and this is going into close. Now, the interesting thing here is the US markets rallied into close, and the DAX did not follow suit. So we had a bit of a rally, we had a pullback, and then we went sideways. Okay. Now, yes, the trend is up, and we should be looking to trade with the trend. However, we are very much overbought. Okay, as that's indicating, both these indicators are indicating. So I want to see a pullback, and even if it's a pullback to that diagonal trend line, you can see the trend is up. So I just want to see a pullback and opportunity to carry on getting long. Until we see that pullback, it's sit on hands. So we do have a bit of a triangle forming on the hour as well, and the triangles can break either way. So that's a consolidation pattern from yesterday. And I think if we just drop down to the 12 minutes, that's more than likely chart that we're looking to trade at the moment. A couple of scenarios here. So there was the first trend line, broke out, retest. We now have the second trend line, break out, retest. Look at the moving averages, flat, while we're going up and down. So big up, big down, big up, big down, big up, big down, big up, big down. Above and below the moving averages, big confusion. Okay, so it's not something that I want to be trading at the moment. I want to see a pretty well-defined trend on a lower time frame. So here you can see with an uptrend, not a continuation uptrend. This is a downtrend. Yesterday was pretty much, you had a bit of an uptrend and a bit of a downtrend, but it's all over the place. It's not really giving you any indication. The only thing that's really helping you is the oscillators. You can see the crossovers and the groupings there, telling you that you need to look for shorts. And then you've got the groupings here on a potential trend line, which is indicating a move to the upside. But anyway, I think the whole point is you can see big move there, smaller move, until we just close on the moving averages. So right now the DAX futures is 0.35% down. That's following the US markets at the moment. So US futures are coming off the boil a little bit. We are slap bang in the middle of earnings season, so anything can happen, guys. Anything can happen right now. So for me, this is really I don't know, the DAX is probably not something I want to trade right now. If we see a decent pullback, I'll look at it. But the noise that's going on in Europe at the moment is not something that I want to follow. So, and every time somebody breathes or just sneezes, in the market moves in different directions. So anyway, for me, the DAX is not a tradable option for today, especially not when you look at this kind of stuff here. And then look at this gap in the middle of nowhere for no reason. point range that it was trading in. So pretty volatile at the open and then nothing. And so it's before the US open, and then we follow the US market, big up, and then we don't get the second big up because the US market was the same thing, was up, big down, and then an even bigger up, but we didn't follow that. Okay, so yeah, so it probably doesn't help you, but looking at that chart, there is nothing there that excites me. The only thing that may interest me is the break of the fractal levels, which are as follows. So break to the upside of 10.745 may interest me in the short scalp to test the high of yesterday, and a break below 10.688 may excite me for a bigger move to the downside. But looking at this congestion to the left here, I don't think it's going to transpire. So 15-minute chart is the same. 30-minute chart is a little bit different because this is not a true fractal. That's definitely a fractal. But 30-minute chart, you're looking for a break below 10.681. And on the hour, you're looking for a break below the lows of yesterday, which would be 10.654. Okay, too much indecision. It does look like it's rounding a little bit here as well. You can see if you draw a trend line along there, then you draw a trend line, that one's pretty much the same. But this one is slightly different. Like that. Yeah, so what you'd want to see probably is something like that. And slowly starting to round to move to the downside. Anyway, trend is up, so we should be looking for longs, but I'm very skeptical of this upward trend at the moment. Lots of diversions, lots of wedges, lots of consolidation patterns and potential breakout patterns are taking place. So until we start breaking out, I think it's going to keep money safe, keep it in my pocket. So ultimately, I think 10.654 is the area you need to watch. You can opt for an earlier entry in the break. Let's just be conservative here. Take this fractal here, so you're looking for a break below 10.678. Very little in the 20 points. So yeah, I think rather than look for something else, because this doesn't look tradable at the moment. May be wrong, may break below these lows and then accelerate the downside, or it may just continue going sideways, just consolidating for another push to the upside. Okay, so anyway guys, hope it helps somewhat, but anyway, for me, I think I'm staying away from the DAX today. I'll look for a different opportunity. Catch up with you tomorrow. Cheers for now.